Welcome to the channel. The previous owner was not aware of what kind of lens he was selling. A professional photographer. Of course, he has modern, expensive lenses, but it is still striking that the old quality of the past is sometimes no longer seen. This is a top-rated vintage lens, and it's totally true. Excellent sharpness, beautiful bokeh, and a wide range of aperture clicks. The minimum shortest focusing distance of 50 centimeters is a bit too big for me, but I will solve that on the next shoot using a ring or bellows. Very worthwhile to do more with this lens.